I'm filming as I drive back from an estate sale. I have not been, here, I'll just focus on this dirty owl. I have not been to an estate sale that wasn't out in the country in a year, or close to a year. I think I went a couple times to Dallas right after I moved, before I realized that I really can't find things out here. Anyway, it started at 9, and I absolutely knew I had to get there early because there was uranium glass, antique glass. It was somebody who collected Asian items, and I saw a bunch of owls in photos. So I pull up. So normally at estate sales like this, there's a line. It didn't open until 9, but I wanted to be first. So I went to a couple of garage sales on the way. Oh my God, I got myself some boots. I don't know if I'm selling them or not. And then I got a pair of Doc Martens and some other cool things. Anyway, I pull up to this freaking estate sale. There's no sign. There's nothing. There's no cars. I'm like, is this the right place? Is this right? So I kept like trying to refresh my maps, and it started like trying to reroute me. So I had no idea if I was going to the right place or not. And oh my God, guys. So I'm waiting. I'm driving around the block. I'm like, oh my God. I try to call the estate sale company. They don't answer. And I'm like, am I at the wrong place? Did I get up at 6 a.m. and drive 45 minutes away all for nothing? Am I going to be late? Am I ever going to find this place? So sure enough, finally somebody does pull up, and I was the first one in the door, which I couldn't freaking believe. There were two ladies behind me that I think were looking for the same things that I was. So it was nuts. It was 75% off, and if it hadn't been, I couldn't have afforded most of the things that I got. I got some gorgeous antique glass. I think maybe Northwood. I haven't looked it up. I just started grabbing. People were doing their usual BS of trying to grab out. So this place doesn't have actual carts. They have old like laundry baskets from like the Dollar Tree that you use. Well, I'm sorry. There's going to be a lot of cussing in this. Well, fuck. I'm not going to put antique glass on top of antique glass in these laundry baskets. So I end up, and people were going through my baskets, reaching over me, doing the most vile and rude things that people do at these estate sales in Dallas. And so finally I find one of the workers, and I'm like, what should I do? I'm going to have baskets full of things, because I'm looking, and all the stuff that I'd seen in the preview pictures that I wanted, like literally almost all of it was still available. So I'm just like grabbing, but not wanting to break. So I set up my baskets, my laundry baskets, on the whole table. And I'm not complaining about this estate sale company. I've gotten some amazing deals from them, which is one of the reasons why I knew that I needed to go to this. Besides the pictures. So anyway, I find a whole table. I literally have 5 of these big laundry baskets full of things. And I was passing on things that I wanted to get, but it was just me. Somebody didn't want to get out of bed early this morning, which I don't blame him. He works his normal job, 5 days a week. Corporate America, I get it. He doesn't want to get up at 6. But I could have used his help because, first of all, it's another like 90-degree day. So I was sweating. There's no air on. I mean, the doors are all open. And people are just pressed up against you, trying to grab your shit. Anyway, since I was one of the first people there, I was one of the first to check out. I was also afraid to leave the amazing things that I found, like Roseville, on the whole table. So I was like, I need to check out. I also got this amazing ceramic piece. I got, you can't see, but I got these antique pots. Pretty sure they're Mexican. They may be Native American. You can't see it. I'm going to wreck. But anyway, I ended up getting those. afterwards, because as I was, first of all, I'm checking out, and this woman behind me gives out like the full sigh. So I turned around and looked at her, and I said, first of all, I was the first person here, and second of all, there was nobody behind me when I come up here, or I would have let you go ahead of me. Oh, not I'm sorry or anything. It was so rude. Anyway, so of course it takes me literally like 10 or 15 minutes to check out. This guy's doing it on calculator. It's old school. So I check out, and there were only 2 workers there, and the other woman, I flagged her down. I was like, what am I going to do with these laundry baskets? I'm buying all this, but I've got to get out of the way, because by this point the line was massive. The house was packed, and I was like, I've got to get out of the cashier's way so that he can help these people. And she's like, yeah, let me go get you some boxes. So she gets me this big cart with wheels, thank God, and some boxes. God bless this woman. She takes me to a front room that's not too crowded, and she's like, here's the only boxes and paper we have, but go ahead. So there goes another 15-20 minutes of me trying to box things up, which I did really poorly. Note to self, bring your own freaking boxes. I used to do this. I used to bring bubble wrap. I'm going to cry if I break any of this antique glass. But anyway, so I'm trying to check out. All these people are coming up to me asking me questions because I look like I'm working there. I'm like, no. So I turn my back to wrap a piece of glass, and this guy starts going through another box of mine, and I'm like, excuse me, I've purchased those. Well, why are they just sitting here? And I just looked at him, I'm like, well, what do you think I'm doing? Just sitting there wrapping it all up. So anyway, I'm headed one more place. There's a church sale. 2 weekends ago, I got up early to go to one. Maybe it was last weekend, and I don't know. The days are all mixed up. To go to a church sale, and it was canceled. So I'm hoping this one is open, because I don't get to go to them very often, and I'm excited. Rick is going to kill me when he sees the amount of owls coming into my house. So I did get a duplicate of like 1 or 2, I think. So some owls may be coming up for sale, believe it or not. And he's seriously going to be like, you can't keep all of these. This person collected owls. There were owls on the walls. There were owls in every freaking room of the house. So anyway, that is all I have for right now. I will do a haul video. Who knows when that'll come out with my internet problems. Let me just get onto that. So for those of you that showed up to my treasures and treats sale on Friday, last night, with Rick, treasures and tunes. Why did I say treats? Thinking about dogs too much, I guess. Anyway, for those of you that showed up, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Our internet is ridiculous. There's only one internet.
In half a mile, turn left onto Griffith Avenue.
There's only one internet provider out here in the country, and I appreciate you guys so much, because we have no other option as far as that goes. So anyway, I love you guys. I have to turn soon, so I will talk to you later. Bye. Well, maybe I won't have to. Oh, I can't.
Turn left onto Griffith Avenue.
So, yes, thank you guys for showing up last night. I don't know how you were able to stay so long. I think at one point, 23 of you were in there. I freaking love each and every one of you guys. You guys rock. Thank you.
Continue on Griffith Avenue for 3 miles.
And, yeah, I can't wait to show you guys everything I got. I just wish I had a buddy close to me that could have gone with me, because I really needed help. There were a lot of dealers in there too, which made it really competitive. I left behind like large Buddha statues, things like that I would have wanted for myself, like very old Asian figurines, things like that. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up, and I will see you guys at the haul. Take care, guys. This is Terrell, Texas. Hey guys, so I was able to stop off at another estate sale. I guess this is a privately owned one, because I didn't see it on, oh my goodness, estatesales.net. I just happened to see it driving to the church sale. I'm gonna check the price on these hearts. I've just never seen them before, and I think that's really cute. But there are a lot of nice things. Very, very nice house. Just showing a few more of the things here, just so I have a little bit more shop along footage, because I rarely get that these days. This is pretty base. This is glass. I have to see the price on the girl. No price. They're really pretty. I've got books here. As you can see, these are high-end estate sale prices. These are more like Dallas prices. Oops, it is 25% off.